All right, so let's go over today's warm-up. So here are the highlighted words, ballads and by, and appellation and is in number 2. Our task here is to identify the part of speech. So ballads are things. So they are person, places, or things, so they are nouns. And a little trick here is, for the most part, if you can add s to a word to make it more than one thing, then it is a thing, so it's a noun, because it's a person, place, or thing. The word by is a preposition. Prepositions are words that usually fit the sentence frame, the cat walked blank the box. The cat walked by the box. So this is a preposition. This is a really common preposition. By researchers create what's called a prepositional phrase, which is the preposition and the object of that preposition. Below the sentence, I've asked you to identify the subject and the verb. So we have to look at this sentence and look for verbs here. So you might think that this is a verb here, sung in the Appalachian Mountains, but this is something else, and you know, we're actually going to cover this pretty soon here this week. This is a participial phrase. This is not the main verb. The thing that really is important about ballads, what the sentence is actually about, is right here, which is were discovered. This is our verb. And the subject is ballads. Ballads are the things that were discovered. So ballads were discovered. Number 2, appellation. Appellation is a word that describes ballad. It tells us what kind of ballad. Ballad over here is a noun, so this word describes ballad. So this is an adjective. Because Appalachia is a place, the Appalachian Mountains, that's a proper noun. When you use a proper noun as an adjective, you keep this first letter capitalized. This is called a proper adjective. And then here we have the word is. This is what the ballad is doing. The Appalachian ballad is. So here is our linking verb. Remember, verbs like is are verbs because well, they're called linking verbs. And a little test you can do to see if something is a linking verb is see if you can replace it with an equal sign. For example, the Appalachian ballad equals very much like the Scottish ballad Lord Randall. So that's kind of a tip here. So we have our verb already, so that's done. You know, is our verb. So what's the subject is? What is very much like a Scottish ballad? And the answer is the Appalachian ballad. So here's our subject right here, ballad. Okay, those are the answers.